The multi-shuttle has been a game changer for our business. The throughput and the speed and accuracy we can get the orders now to the customers has made a massive difference. When I first started the business, everyone wore tight t-shirts. Now everything's oversized and baggy. And you see these trends come and go, but the one trend you don't see come and go is that customers want their orders on time and they want it accurately and they want it now. And having the multi-shuttle really helps us deliver that to the customer. We can have orders placed online and packing them within 30 minutes of the order being sent down to the GTP. And I get so many comments from friends that live locally and they can't believe at how fast we get the order to the customer. One of our goals in the business has been to reduce our plastic and eliminate it from our supply chain, and the GTP system has been a big part of that. The product basically sits inside a tote with a cardboard liner, and because the shuttles and the totes are being shuffled around and used and picked out of very quickly, there's no lint build-up or dirt or dust getting on the product. The multi-shuttle is very impressive. You just have to look at it and see it operating and just the structure that it creates inside our warehouse. You know, from sequencing to delivery, the way it's packed, the way it's presented, the cleanliness, the accuracy, you know, there's a lot of benefits of the multi-shuttle system.